Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix login failed error on Roblox Studio. First, you should check Roblox Studio server status, and see if there are any issues related to the Roblox Studio server. To do that, visit Roblox official status page. After that, scroll down and you will see Studio. If it doesn't show operational status and green text, it means the server is having problems. The only thing you can do is wait until the problem is fixed. If the server is good, move on to the next method. Restart your computer and router Wi-Fi. To do that, on your computer, press Alt F4 keys, then select Restart, then click OK. Now, go to where your router is located. Then unplug the router's power cable. Next, wait for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, plug the power cable back in and start up your router. Once the router has finished booting, launch Roblox Studio and check if the login failed issue is resolved. Finally, uninstall and reinstall Roblox Studio if the problem still occurs. That's it guys. Please leave a comment if you have another method.